Okay, let's dive into collagen. We're talking benefits and one kind of hidden side effect.
Collagen is everywhere, right? But for some, it might be causing digestive issues. You hear about it all the time for amazing skin, hair, and even joint health.
So what is it? Well, it's the main protein in our bodies, basically holding everything together.
But here's the twist. The problem usually isn't the collagen itself. It often comes down to one thing: calcium. And some supplements are packed with it. Specifically, marine-sourced collagen from fish and shellfish can be super high in calcium. And too much calcium can really slow things down in your digestive system, you know? But it's not just about getting backed up. Other issues can pop up too.
Things like bloating, gas, even stomach pain have been reported by some folks.
And while it's rare, some people might even get skin reactions or headaches. Okay, so how do you get the good stuff without the bad? Let's fix it. Generally, the recommended dose is somewhere between 5 and 15 grams a day.
But the real trick? Start low and go slow. Let your body get used to it.
And seriously, you've got to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend here. Also, make sure you're getting enough fiber. It helps keep everything running smoothly. And look for hydrolyzed peptides. They're pre-digested, kinda, so they're much easier on your system.
All right, one last thing. A quick heads up before you jump in. If you have certain health conditions or take specific meds, please talk to your doctor first.
So the takeaway is simple. Make smart choices and you can avoid most issues.
So now you know. Is your supplement the right one for you?